So we're laying under my truck again. I have to take out this old transfer case so I can go get my money back. And I really don't know what my plan is at this point. If I'm already doing half this work, I'm gonna put another transfer case in it because I already have to take it out, so I might as well put one in. And then if I do that at that point, basically the rear end's the only thing standing in the way from driving the truck. So I think I'm just gonna have the rear end done, and then I don't know, I could from there, I could decide to sell it and not deal with other stuff, and I could just get a new truck. But I could actually sell it for money at that point and not just call it a loss, or I could keep it at that point. I don't really know what I'm doing. But for now, we're taking out this transfer case. So just brought back the old transfer case, well, the new one that was bad, so I brought that back. I got another one up in the truck. There's no rear seal on the back of it where the rear drive shaft goes in, so I bought one of those. Then I bought some more fluid, so gonna go back, button up everything, put some fluid in it, and see if it goes up the road in 4-wheel drive, put it in 2-wheel drive, see if the rear, like, output turns where the rear drive shaft goes. And then I've got an appointment to go get the rear end checked at one of the shops because I don't want to shim the rear end, I don't want to mess it up. But they were saying that they probably wouldn't even put the internals in, they probably just do the entire rear end, and at that point I might just do it myself, so. Yeah, wow. Trying to see what, I just want to see you start it.
I wouldn't stand right there.
I know. That's how Timmy saved my life by saying don't stand there. Walk. Yep. Get her pre-soaked.
Everything's movable, must be relaxed.
Yep.
Especially them pine needles.
Make sure the inside don't go up in flames. It's good. It's good. Jesus. $6 grand. I know what I got. It's been taken care of. Never beaten. Adult owned. How are we holding?
Go on fire!
Holy Jesus. I think
there. Wow! Did I do it?
That was the first time it hit implementer.
It held it and then
Yeah,
stalled.
it did.
Did you hear a national anthem going in there? almost falls over.
Hands right on his back. Squish. Toothpaste.
That's what I just said.
Attempt 5. I told you it wouldn't go high. Alright guys, so obviously this is just a beater truck. It's going to the junkyard. It's got a hole in the engine, pretty rotted out. But same exact rear end as my truck. So guess what? I ripped the internals out of it and I'm gonna go throw them in my truck. Same exact rear end, guys. I am stoked. Friggin' sick. Hell yeah.